Greens one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. It's a Sunday, kind of a chilly day today. My Jeep said it was 29, so we're gonna do a fire today. We're gonna do, I got a canteen cup cooking video planned, which I'm gonna be doing because that's my lunch today. I've got a couple things going, not a ton, but it's alright. I got a full table. I'm actually at the campsite with the table, and actually over there is where I found all that awesome tinder. So I might grab another bag of it. We'll see. But for right now, I need to get my fire going because it's cold, and then I want to get a hot brew in me and then go from there. So let's get to it. So unfortunately, I worked yesterday, Saturday, so it's just a day trip today. Which I was going to do last week, but as I said in the Spice Kit video, I woke up and I was on an empty tank. I had just no energy. So, rocking the Sane Logic chainsaw today. You know, if I'm gonna do a year with the gear with this, I gotta get out and use it now and then. So, I'm gonna go grab a bunch of wood. I'll probably just not take the camera and just go grab it and then just bring it back and then process it, and we'll get rolling. So, fortunately, all these are just limbs that were already laying on the ground, so I don't have to cut any. I didn't have to, I think I made one cut with the saw, but the shell, unfortunately, it's all covered in frost, but good thing I kept the wood from last 2 weeks ago. I put it in the car because the car was right there, so I have it to start getting my fire going. Let's check the fire. They may have left me some wood. So, a big piece of the bark. I'm not going to burn the bark. So we got some firewood. It looks to be frosted. I got some tea bags, and I hope just paper. They didn't wipe their butt. I got a banana. All this wood feels cold, so it tells me it's wet. So I'm gonna stack it up and around. And let my initial fire hopefully start drying it. It's got some frost on it, but it might be a good fire lay. I'll go to the car and get the wood I already have, so I don't have to worry about moisture. Or less worry about moisture. I should have taken a head mount with me, showing you what I was doing. This stuff, I basically went into where it was thicker in the woods, broke off all these little smalls, but it's not totally dry. I can tell because they bend instead of break. But we'll see what we can do. Some of these broke real easy and real fast. Alright, because there's frost on the bark, there's some moisture on the other two. I basically want to do like I'll lay it. It's going to lift it up off so air will get underneath it. And I'll go get my tinder. Same tinder as last time. And you go get my fuel. I go use an underappreciated match today. Because why not? I got people coming. Now with these dollar store matches, I always use two. Because, you know, they're not like a store match. They're just thin and I just got to cut the striker off the box. And of course, put everything away. Burn! Burn! This is 2 weeks ago's wood, so it should be dry. Hope I'm not smoking out the camera. This should count as a Fired Up Friday, I think. I'm probably going to post this on Friday. Nice high flames. burning. Well, she seems to be off to a better start than last week, or 2 weeks ago. So the air underneath was probably a big help. So I should walk over in a bit later and show you. I might do it at the end of this video. Just go over there and show you where I grabbed those smalls from. Just in case you're probably interested. I don't know if I've even burned that out of the wood, but we'll see. Plus I got the whole pile over here I can still cut. I was trying to leave it in the sun, but the sun went away behind the trees again, so. Oh well. Honestly, with what I've got there, I've probably got enough to cook my lunch, so. Without having to use the other stuff.